Trying to pick a smartwatch, but everything feels the same? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the COROS Vertix 2S and the Suunto Vertical 2 head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Comparative analysis. Talking about durability and construction, the COROS Vertix 2S features a rugged titanium alloy bezel with sapphire glass, built for extreme endurance and long outdoor expeditions. The Suunto Vertical 2 also uses a premium titanium or stainless steel build with a sapphire crystal, but feels slightly more smartwatch-oriented with a refined finish. The Vertix 2S features a 1.4-inch transflective MIP display, 280 by 280, focused on sunlight visibility and ultra-low power consumption. The Suunto Vertical 2 upgrades to a larger 1.5-inch AMOLED display, 466 by 466, offering brighter visuals, richer colors, and much better readability in indoor and mixed lighting conditions. Battery is where both go extreme. The Vertix 2S delivers around 118 hours GPS tracking and up to approximately 36 to 46 days daily use, optimized for consistency and long expeditions. The Suunto Vertical 2 pushes higher in Ultra GPS modes, reaching up to approximately 200 to 500 hours in power-saving tracking modes, but heavy AMOLED use reduces real-world endurance. COROS is more stable day-to-day, while Suunto wins in peak ultra mode flexibility. The Vertix 2S includes advanced health tracking like HRV, SpO2, sleep tracking, ECG support, and strong multi-sport analytics with a training-focused COROS ecosystem. The Suunto Vertical 2 offers improved heart rate tracking, over 100 sport modes, offline maps, flashlight feature, and better smartwatch integration, but still stays more sport-focused than lifestyle smart. Both watches use modern low-power, high-efficiency chipsets designed for sports performance. The COROS Vertix 2S is optimized for stability, accuracy, and long battery efficiency rather than flashy speed, while the Suunto Vertical 2 feels noticeably faster in UI navigation and maps. The COROS Vertix 2S was launched in April 2024 as an upgraded version of the Vertix lineup, priced at around $699 US. The Suunto Vertical 2 came later on October 15, 2025, as a newer premium outdoor flagship launching at $599 US for the stainless steel version and $699 US for the titanium version, placing both watches in a similar premium range, but with Suunto being the more recent release. The COROS Vertix 2S is best for ultra runners, mountaineers, expedition athletes, and users who prioritize maximum battery, reliability, and simplicity. The Suunto Vertical 2 is ideal for hikers, trail runners, and outdoor users who want modern display, better maps experience, and smartwatch-style features with strong endurance. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.